Hey, I'm Gary Eldridge at Bayside Swan Skin Clinic, and this is where we help people to look significantly better and to feel much happier and more confident with yourself. Now, another one of the questions that people often ask me is, when will I start to see the effects of PRP on my hair? Well, quite often patients will first notice an increased shedding or loss of hair. This is because when a hair follicle makes a significant transition to make thicker hair, it will shed the old fine hairs. This allows it to undergo some major structural enhancement, the changes that it needs to do before it starts making thicker hair again. Then, after about 1 month, patients typically notice that they are shedding less hair. In fact, the gradual shedding of hair which they were experiencing before they had this treatment now begins to slow down. Then, after 2 months, people typically notice that their hair is beginning to increase. Hair follicles are increasing in number, and individual hairs are beginning to grow thicker. The peak is seen at around 4 to 6 months after the last treatment. So improvement will then decline, with individuals, patients, members most often choosing to come back in for another treatment, usually around the 10 to 12 month mark. This can be extended if your cosmetic surgeon recommends prescription medications and perhaps supplements to get you the best possible outcome. But you'll want to discuss this with your cosmetic surgeon. If you enjoyed this information, you'd like to get 11 free videos of the top questions that people ask, and, more importantly, the questions that you really should ask, and a copy of my consumer awareness report about everything that you should know about PRP, then I invite you to click on the link below at www.prpforhairgrowth.com, and I'll see you there.